Hello there, I'm happy that you're here once again. I'm hoping that you had a wonderful week, and if by any chance it's been a little tough, that's alright. Don't let anything wear you down. This week, I will share my thoughts about the beauty of living a simple life. Feel free to comment if you have the same train of thoughts regarding this topic. As human beings, it is normal to have wants and needs, and it's never a sin nor a mistake when we feel that way. It will only be a little controversial when there are so many factors that are being affected by these choices. And so the mindset of simplifying life will now take place. We're living in a busy and very progressive world where technology keeps on updating, and so our lifestyle gets affected whether we like it or not. But remember that we always have a choice, and all we need to do is pick the right one. There are so many influencers here and there in almost all of the social media platforms, and if you'll get encouraged by all of them, in one way or another, you'll end up confused and might lose yourself in the process. Having said this, it is important that we know ourselves, we know our priorities, as well as our beliefs and values. When there is something that you want so much but it's not aligned with your beliefs and practices, you might want to think twice about it. It's important that you know what you want in life. Don't get carried away by what you hear and see. If you're a little confused, you can try a little bit of everything and go to what makes you feel happy and content. But make sure that it's something that is attainable and realistic. You can't be someone else. You have to be your own original self. Living simple has always been in my veins as I grew up with that kind of lifestyle and mindset. We're not very poor growing up, but we're not rich as well. I can define it as a simple yet meaningful childhood. Our every meal is shared with people we love. Every new thing is a reward. Every event in our lives is intimately celebrated. It is something that I will treasure for the rest of my days. And so I want that lifestyle to be experienced by my kids. I want them to know the meaning of life, which cannot be measured by any material things nor achievements. It's the fulfillment, contentment, and genuine happiness after all. Simple life brings us simple joys and blessings, and it's something that money cannot buy. Again, I would like to thank all of you for your continuous support, both here and on Instagram. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'm hoping to see you again very, very soon.